Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check that speakers or headphones are plugged into the correct jack or paired via Bluetooth, and that any hardware mute is off. Once done, look at the system tray sound icon on Windows or the menu bar on macOS to access audio controls. Make sure device selection is correct, otherwise you'll unmute the wrong output. Now, click the sound icon to reveal volume sliders and the mute toggle so you can take the next step. Once the system panel is open, drag the main volume slider up from 0% and deactivate any mute indicator. This restores master audio. Next, open the volume mixer or app sound settings to confirm the application you're using isn't muted or set low. Many apps have independent sliders. Also verify the selected output device matches your hardware. Change it if the wrong one is active. By adjusting both master and app levels, you ensure sound is routed and audible. Finish by testing audio. Play a known sound or video and listen for output. If you still hear nothing, restart the audio service or reboot the PC. That often clears stuck states. Make sure drivers are current, update or reinstall them through Device Manager or the manufacturer's utility. If problems persist, switch apps or try different headphones to determine whether it's a software configuration or a hardware fault. One quick troubleshooting tip. Run the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.